Does your brain notice the difference between tapping on a keyboard and touching a hot stove? Well, let's find out. Well, let's start. What happens when you instantly touch into something hot? Well, in computer science, that is the kernel. That's managed by the kernel, and the kernel, you may see it as the limbic system, where it controls everything in your body without you knowing it. The subconscious mind. That's the same thing that the kernel does. The kernel, it is the one in charge of the memory, the CPU, and actually everything that runs on a computer. And once you click a key, well, here it gets connected to the kernel. Now let's jump into something that happens when you press a key. That is something that is in charge of a system call, because you cannot communicate without a what? Mm-hmm. Without a messenger, and that messenger is a system call, the one that connects the kernel to the user. The system call is, you may think of it as the nervous system, and in your nervous system, every time you hit or you cut or you burn your skin, that nervous system connects to your brain, and that is a system call in programming. And lastly, we have the API, the programming, the the application programming interface, what the users see and what the programming language is hidden. For example, when you are hungry, something tells you that you are hungry, and that's something, it is not expressed into how many organs are involved, or the amount of blood that you have, or even the amount of water that you have. You are not aware of that. The only thing that you know is that you're hungry and you will. I would take an analogy of how the human body works into computer science, the kernel, the system call, and the APIs. Thanks for watching.